Okay, so today's the day Doug Falcone, Allison's buddy, came over and we made this spectacular baseball bat. This is made out of maple, and we spent this afternoon in June making this, and we're going to show you how we made it today. Okay, first things first, we got to find the center of the billet with a center finding gauge, and then we're going to put a dimple in there so we can mount it easily onto the lathe. That's good. All right, we'll do that on the other end and we'll mount it on the lathe. All right. Okay, so now we're going to mount it on the lathe. And we're going to mask that little dimple that we put there. And we're going to do the same thing over on this side. Okay, so the easiest way to make a baseball bat is to duplicate one that you already have. And we're going to put this piece of tape on here and measure every 2 inches. And then we're going to do that on the billet on the lathe. And we're going to copy these diameters all the way down. Okay, so now we're just going to mark the 2 inches on the billet. And we're just going to use a parting tool and copy the diameters all the way down. And then we're just going to connect the grooves. Okay, so what we're going to start doing is measuring the diameter all the way down, and we're going to go transfer that diameter over to the billet. Okay. Okay, so I extended those lines. This will get us started. And I'm going to use a parting tool in order to match that first diameter. We're going to start at the top end of the bat. So I hold it like this. Okay, that's it. And we're going to repeat that all the way down. Okay, yeah, we're getting a lot of vibration, so I went ahead and put on the steady rest. And hopefully that's going to balance things out a little bit better. Okay, this thing came out really nice. Very happy with this. And the finish we're going to use, I'm going to try Yorkshire grit. I haven't really used this. I believe this is very similar to Triple E polish, but we're going to do this. This is some kind of, I think there's some wax and some oil and some maybe Triple E in there. Okay, we're going to put a top coat of Mylan's friction polish. Let's see that. And this is my old-time favorite finish. Traditionally, instead of this Yorkshire grit, I usually use Triple E, but I've had this for a year now and wanted to try it. Now, the Mylan's friction polish puts an extra shine to it. And like I said before, this bat came out really nice. I love the looks of it. I think we nailed the shape. And yeah, it came out. This is well worth this afternoon of playing on the lathe. Okay, so we got one coat of the Mylan's friction polish, and it's really bringing out the finish. Really nice. This is a high gloss finish. This is my favorite finish. It's a great turner's finish. It's easy, it's quick, and it's a beautiful result. So high gloss, high polish, spectacular. All we got to do is trim these edges and we're done. We're going to part this off to this final part with a saw. Okay. And we're going to sand this and we're done. Got to do the other side too. Well, here's a before and after shot. These billets are available at various wood turning supply houses, and these are quite a bit of fun to make. So thanks to Allison and Doug Falcone today, having a little bit of fun in the shop, and here's a little bit of fun with them.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop.
Come on, you can have a little more enthusiasm than that. Try it again.
Welcome to
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop.
Come on, man. You're not really trying hard enough. You got to try and give it a lot of enthusiasm.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop.